Hey guys, what's up? My name is Kouboer and welcome back to the channel. And today, episode 3 of my series A Road to 100,000 euros, where I invest 1,250 euros per month and it's my goal to achieve 100,000 euros within 5 years. And today I have a very interesting stock for you, so let's dive in it. Last time I bought a high-paying dividend stock and now it's time to add a growth stock to my portfolio. And I think this will be an interesting one. But be aware that investing in an individual stock can be very risky, and especially if it's a growth stock, because most of the time there are young companies that don't make a lot of profit, if any. So there's always a chance that you will lose your money. Especially this one, because this stock gained over 1,000% last year. So then I hear you say, Wietse, why would I invest in a stock like this? Isn't it too late? And although it is risky to invest in it, I think it still has a lot of potential. And maybe in the short term it will lose some value, but in the long term, and then I'm talking about at least 10 years, if this company will do good, I think the stock price will go even higher. And like always, first a disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and I'm simply posting my investments and opinions here. And if you also want to invest just like me, make sure you always do your own research and be aware that investing always involves risk. Without any further ado, let's dive into the video.
And today I also want to talk about NIO. This will be my growth stock of the day. And if you don't know, NIO is basically the Chinese version of Tesla. They have really nice looking cars. Here you can see one of the models that they sold a lot last year. And NIO already has seen some massive gains last year. It went from basically like $4 or $5 to almost $55 right now. So you say like, yeah, as it says here, it gained more than 1,000% and it still doesn't make any profit. And they like the Q4 sales have between 16 and 17,000 vehicles. So that's not a lot at all. And as we can see right here, the market cap is around $85 billion, which is amazingly high for a company that doesn't make any profit yet. But the thing with this company is that the potential is amazing. It's so big. It's founded in 2014, so they just started out, and last year they doubled their revenue. So as we can see here, in January it delivered 7,225 vehicles, which is a percentage gain of 352%. So if they can keep up this amazing growth, this company is set to be really, really big and really successful. And as we all know, the Chinese market is the biggest market in the world with a population of over 1.3 billion people. And another thing that is in the favor of NIO, China is really aggressive in their push for clean energy. So right now it's around 5% of all their vehicles is an electric vehicle, and they are expected to make up 20% of all the sales in 2025. So of course it still takes a while, 4 years, but this is why the potential for this company is so big. And like all my investments, I don't buy it for the short term, I buy it for the long term. So I'm planning on keeping this stock for over 10 years because yes, it's really difficult and they are just starting, but let's see and what can happen in 10 years. Another thing is that China is really supporting purchasing electric vehicles and they're paying subsidies for everyone who buys one. This of course really helps NIO out as well. So yeah, if we look at all these different factors, which are the EV market is still growing, the Chinese government is supporting purchasing EVs, and they have a huge market in the Chinese market. They're also trying to expand to the European market. It's expected that in China 20% of car sales will be electric vehicles, and the government of China is really trying to push for clean energy, and they expected to have 20% of car sales to be an electric vehicle in 2025. So that's only 5 years. And NIO right now is the leading electric vehicle company in China. So if they can deliver and make great cars for a good price, I think they will take a big percentage of that market. So yes, this is a risky stock and it already has been on the rise for last year and it has risen a lot. So yeah, in the short term, this stock possibly could lose some of its value, but in the long term, I see so much potential that's okay for me. I just really want to add this stock to my portfolio, and I want to see what this company is gonna do in the next decade. Alright guys, so this is my Giro account right now. As you can see, my total value is just above 1200 euros. That means that I lost around 45 euros so far. But that's okay, because we're investing for the long term, not for the short term, like I said many times before. So today we have around a free space that's still available to invest around 100 euros. That's not enough. So I'm gonna put 850 euros in my account, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. And it's really simple. So as you can see here, money in and out. So I click that and then deposit directly via Ideal. That's the easiest one, so I'll select that one. And today I want to invest, like I said, 850 euros. So I'm going to put it here and I'm going to choose my bank account, which I blurred out for you guys because that's kind of private information. And then I click transfer. Then I click here and it takes me to my ING account. So I will pay here and I'll see you in a bit. And all right, I paid. So it will take me back to the Giro, and there we go. They received it and they will put it on my account. So there you see it. Now my account is worth 2055 euros. So let's spend that money. Today I want to buy NEO, like I told you guys. So let's go to NEO, and here you can see that it's trading for around $55 per share. It's a little late, it's like 50 minutes delayed. The stock market just opened and I can see here now that it's trading for around $55 per share. That's what I want to buy it for. Let's put in a limit order of $55 per share, and I want to buy 10 shares today. So we're gonna place the order. Here you see the transaction cost 53 cents, not too bad, and I approve it here, and then I put my order, and it will take a little because, like I said, it's a little delayed on this website. So like I said, it's also a little delayed and it has to hit the price of $55, but I'm sure that it will. And then I have 10 stocks of NEO. So here you see that it still hasn't been fulfilled, but I'm sure it will be soon. And then I will own 10 shares of NEO. And those are my purchases for today. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think about my new purchases, what purchases you are doing right now, and then I hope I see you in the next one. Have a great day.
So yeah guys, that was it. Episode 3 already of my series A Road to 100,000 euros. And let me know what you think about it. And if you liked it, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you want to follow me on my financial journey, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. Also, I am very curious to know in what stocks or ETFs you guys are investing. So let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching guys. I hope I see you in the next one. Have a great day.